last shot of my hair. Come on. That's the hair. So this video is probably all over the place, but welcome to the reveal. Let's go back a couple days, shall we? So I just wanted to give you guys a super quick update. My voice is pretty much gone, so I really hope you can hear me. Sorry if you can hear the fan going on, but it's a really hot day in London, and so that's probably the noise in the background. It's crazy how like this room are not soundproof at all. Anyway, today it's a really exciting day because I'm getting this mix fixed by a professional. I don't really know what I'm gonna get. I have some picture that I will show her or him, not too sure. It's my first time going to this salon, so I guess this is the start of this vlog. I booked this hair appointment at CD Hair really spontaneously, so I just got a text from them. I guess now I can't really pitch it, can I? I just don't know what to do. I had no clue about what I wanted specifically. I mean, it kind of looks great and okay, but I really want to bring some blonde back. I think I want to get like a proper curtain bangs, because I tried to cut these little pieces, but it's kind of not it. And yeah, I knew that I kind of wanted to like bring my blonde back, but I didn't know like how. And I ended up asking for baby lights. Pretty much what you guys can see right now, and not gonna lie, it took me a couple of days to film this video, because if I were to film this video the day that I got my hair done, I would have been really disappointed. I feel like I just need to see it tomorrow morning, because right now like, don't get me wrong, I think she did a great job, but it was probably not what I pictured in my head. I don't even know if this makes sense, but basically now, looking at what I got, I kind of realized that this is what I didn't want, and what I wanted was like a balayage, but I didn't really ask for a balayage, so I'm not blaming anyone here but me. But I feel like overall I'm getting used to this hair. I generally think I'm going to love my hair, so I'm actually quite happy. You can definitely tell that it looks so much better. I mean, it doesn't look bad, weirdly, but I feel like I really need to get it fixed, and it just took me a couple of days to kind of like adjust to it, because it's definitely like blonder and like blender in a way, because like my hair used to be blonde at the ends and then super dark at the roots, so yeah, it's definitely a change. Also decided to like curly just for the purpose of this video, and I really like how it looks curly. It was kind of expensive as well. I paid like 150 bucks, which yes, it's expensive, but then I was like expecting to pay like around 200, but every single person that I told how much I paid, they were like, you're joking, right? Like no, I'm not. Like I thought this was like the price range in London. Like did I go scam by any chance? Like let me know in the comments. But yeah, I don't even know what to say, honestly. I feel like I'm just staring myself in the viewfinder, which is probably real bad, and I do apologize for that. I'm just gonna give you guys a little story time. So I went to CD Hair in Islington, and I was seated on a chair with this girl doing my hair. I think her name is Michaela, if I got it right. And like, I'm just so awkward when I go to the hair salon. Like I don't know how to start a conversation with my stylist. I'm just like there, you know, saying nothing, and it's even more awkward now with a face covering on. And the other hairstylist, she was like super bubbly and like talkative, and I kind of had a sense she was Italian, which she definitely was, but I was like, damn it, why do you not get her, blah blah blah. And then I hear my hairdresser talking to someone in Romanian, and I'm like, dude, you're Romanian? And like, if you guys don't know this, my mom is Romanian, so I kind of like well, I can understand it, I can talk a bit, but that kind of started a conversation and I actually had a good time. So just want to throw this in there. Also super random, but on the same day as I was waiting for the bus to go to Islington, this random guy told me like, oh, you smell so nice, what is it? And I'm like, vanilla perfume, I think. Oh, it smells lovely. And I'm like, oh, thanks. And then on the way back, as I was getting off the bus, another random guy said, oh, can I just ask you how old you are? And I'm like, 22, why? How old do I look? And he says 19. And I'm like, well, I'll take it. But yeah, this is my hair transformation video. I definitely feel like I need to do a good like Olaplex treatment now for my hair, because it's definitely probably most likely being damaged by the bleach. That is it. Let me know in the comments if you have any question. Let me know what you think of my new hair. I also did a new haircut. I kind of feel like this video is all over the place and I cut it short. Let me know what you think of my hair. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a brand new video every Friday and a music one every Tuesday. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye! This is the final look. So